Your Conti espresso machine comes fitted with an internal pump. We recommend this is switched on as this ensures the boilers fill efficiently. Your pump will be activated for you during UK bench testing to ensure a seamless installation. If for some reason your pump is not active, press and hold the centre of the main display. Press and hold the cog icon. You then need to select the keys in the top right corner. Now enter the password, which is 1956. All the icons in the technical menu are now illuminated. Select the blue laptop icon to enter the installation menu. At the bottom right side of the screen, note there are two dots. Tap these to scroll to the second screen. Now select the white text on the line saying boiler filling up. Press the plus icon until it says with pump, then hit the return key to save the setting and return to the technical menu. Hit the back icon to return to standby mode, then the power icon to turn the machine back on. If your boilers aren't full, the pump will activate now. If you wish to test the pump, pull water from the hot water tap until you hear the pump engage.